it's Mary Louise. Today, we're sharing 10 DIY Valentine's Day presents you can make with Cricut, because nothing says love like something handmade and personal. Whether you're crafting for your kid's classroom, looking for meaningful Valentine's Day presents for him, or putting together something special for friends, we've got you covered. Most of these projects are beginner-friendly, totally customizable, and guaranteed to feel way more thoughtful than store-bought presents. I'll link the projects and some helpful tutorials below. So let's get started. You can totally upgrade your kids' classroom Valentine's swaps. First up, custom Valentine's Day stickers. These are perfect for kids, teachers, or classroom exchanges. You can design hearts, puns, or cute animals in Design Space, then cut them on sticker paper. These are great for goodie bags, cards, or even sealing treat bags. And with so many fun, free designs in Design Space, you can't go wrong. This next project is such a classic, a Valentine's card box made from cardstock. Your Cricut can cut everything, from the mailbox shape to decorative hearts and names, and create perfect score lines for crisp fold lines. So it's sturdy, festive, and totally personalized. We love this box, but there's a bunch of options on Design Space, from classic hearts to pigs to basketball. You can find something whatever they're into. If you haven't made a snackle box yet, Valentine's Day is the time. Add vinyl name or Valentine's phrases to a divided container like this. Then fill it with your kiddo's favorite treats. This is one of those Valentine's Day presents for kids that doubles as a fun activity and a gift. Next up, Valentine's Day presents for him, guaranteed to get him emotional. For a meaningful but elevated gift, try a personalized whiskey or drink glass. Use your Cricut to cut a stencil, apply etching cream, and create a custom design, like initials, a date, or a favorite saying. It looks so high-end, but it's surprisingly easy. Next up, a custom cooler. Add permanent vinyl with his name, a nickname, or an inside joke from your latest camping trip. This is such a great Valentine's Day gift for him if he loves camping, tailgating, or backyard hangouts. We're in love with the idea of taking your kid's handwriting and uploading it to Design Space and using an iron-on vinyl to cut it out, then press it inside the tie. It's hidden, so he'll look super professional, but it's a sentimental and incredibly special way to remind him he's loved, even when he's at the office. Celebrating Valentine's Day this year? At Cricut, we strongly believe that custom shirts aren't just for couples or family reunions. Create a shirt with an inside joke, matching phrases, or something that celebrates your unique friendship. This is a fun, wearable DIY Valentine's Day present your friends will actually want to keep. With Design Space's new t-shirt project flows, they're so easy to make. For a more sentimental gift, we love the idea of making a custom shadow box. You can add photos, notes, ticket stubs, or keepsakes, and cut vinyl quotes or names with your Cricut to finish it off. This will be perfect for best friends or long-distance friendships. On trend and so easy to make are custom claw clips like these. Just add a name or nickname in vinyl, and in less than 10 minutes, you've got a personalized Valentine's Day gift that feels modern, cute, and totally giftable. This is such a quick, easy way to make a small, inexpensive gift feel more special. It's also a great option if you want to make one for all of your girls. And finally, what top 10 Cricut DIY list would be complete without cards? A handmade card is such a wow for anyone. Kids, friends, teachers, you name it. And Cricut cards can be made in just 5 to 10 minutes, especially with Design Space's new folded card project flow. They're the perfect finishing touch or last-minute Valentine's Day present. So there you have it, 10 DIY Valentine's Day gifts you can make for kids, friends, and even the hardest person to shop for. If you love these ideas, make sure to check the link below for specific projects in Design Space and tutorials. Happy crafting and happy Valentine's Day!